Where does the name for Prion come from? So today I'm in a very small hamlet just south of Denby, in Denbighshire, and it's called Prion. So the name for Prion sounds a little bit like one of the Hebrew place names that gets attached to Welsh place names through the chapel. And it is named after the chapel, Prion, here in the village, but it's not from Hebrew. It's actually from a Welsh word, Pirion, and it means pir, means pure, and ion is a plural adjective marker. So it literally means of the pure. The name of the chapel behind me is Capel Pirion, Chapel of the Pure Ones, Chapel of the Pure, something like that. It's been shortened over time to Prion, and that's given its name to the village. So literally it means the pure ones, the pure. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share, and give us a subscribe. And if you want to help me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.